How many design you need to make in one collection?
For this collection, this is just our second, so
Oh, this is the second one.
yeah, we're looking to make the hoodie and sweatpants,
Yeah.
2 t-shirts,
Yeah.
and 1 top for women. Let me
Okay.
show you that one. I wanted to ask if you guys do as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and for the sweatpants, this is example of
Okay.
the kind of size we'd want. For this one, I wanted to ask if you could do this kind of shirt.
Yeah.
Not this kind of gray, but with a very dark gray.
Dark gray.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it will just be that with probably this DTG.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But for now, that's all we're starting with. We just want to see what ApparelWin can do. That's why we're doing
Yeah,
so
you
much.
can see the category.
That's
here.
why I
Yeah,
came in
we
person.
have different category available to make.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to come in person to see.
Yeah.
So